just look around your town and or city and just think to yourself, I helped to build every damn thing here, every beam and every bolt, and with every callus on both of my hands, I helped to make something here stand beautiful and tall. But now I look around and all I see are empty factories with broken windows and rusted fences and grass shooting up through the parking lot. And they went and erased our names and all of our hard work. And I can still remember, man, clocking in before sunrise on most days. And I can also remember the sound that old press used to make when it got up and got fired up and going good. And I can also remember the sound my old knees used to make as they were getting ground down from walking around on that cold ass hard concrete year after year. And I'm thinking about my favorite old green lunchbox. I love that thing. I think I still got it somewhere around here, probably out in the garage with the rest of that junk. That damn thing outlasted 3 supervisors. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I still got my old set of wrenches too out there. Hell, they managed to outlast 2 CEOs. But hell, they were always more reliable than the CEOs or their promises ever were. And we did all this, man, without ever once complaining, because that's just what men are taught to do. You show up, you keep your mouth shut, and you get your job done. They didn't hold up their end of the bargain, though, because they promised us that we'd be taken care of. Said we'd have a nice pension in the future, and then they turned around like cowards and just packed up and shipped out and left us with nothing but memories and a fuck ton of broken promises. And it used to be that we'd cover each other's shifts if you couldn't make it to work. But hell, the only way you wouldn't make it to work was if you was damn near dead. But now it seems like we just cover each other's backs. And they love to call us angry and bitter and what's that other word? Oh, disgruntled workers. That's the term they like to throw around. Like we weren't the ones holding every fucking thing together while the rest of the world just moved on without us. But you know what stings the most? It's not so much that they forgot what we did. It's that they try and pretend like what we did do, well, it didn't even matter. And I learned the value of a hard day's work from my father, and I'm sure he learned it from his father. So I passed that down to my son, and I also taught him how to survive. He's gonna need that in today's world. But yet, I still can't help but to wonder sometimes, man, what kind of world am I leaving behind for him? Because I can't speak for you, but I can speak for me. I didn't help to build all this just to end up begging for scraps at the gate. I helped to build it because I wanted to mean something, and then I wanted to be part of something great, and I wanted it to last. Do me a favor. Next time you see a crew of hardworking cats out there, maybe on the road fixing potholes or cutting grass or laying power lines, whatever, honk your horn twice at them. Let those guys out there working hard know that you see them and you still appreciate them. There's a lot of us out here who still do. We know the value of a good hard day's work, and we know the value of the men who are out there keeping this country together, the foundation. And do me a favor too, brother, while you're at it. Drop a little something down in the comment section. Drop the job that you were proudest of, the one that made you smile to be a part of it. Or if you want, the one that shipped your job overseas like cowards, or outsourced it, or whatever they did, the one that erased you from it. And let them know we're still here, because we are. Oh, and let them know this too while you're at it. We still remember a time in this country when a man's word and hard work actually meant something. We're bringing that back too. And if you're out there listening, CEOs or bosses or corporations or whatever you call yourself these days, know this too. We're not going anywhere. We're the foundation. We are the ones who built this. We're not going anywhere. Unc's words of wisdom.